Quick, cool feature to up-level your Squarespace website. Let's go. If you haven't noticed, Squarespace only allows horizontal lines. They don't allow vertical lines. Boo. So let's go in, add block. We're going to add a code block right to the page. You can drag it wherever you want that vertical line. And then double click it. We will delete it and put in this code right here. You won't see anything yet, and that's okay. Let's go to website. Scroll down and go to website tools, custom CSS. And you'll scroll down to the bottom if you have a ton of custom CSS. And you're going to put in a code. DM me if you want this code and I will get it to you. Go ahead and screenshot this if you want, but this is the code. Just make sure the VL matches the VL on this. So if you would have titled it something else like vertical line, then you would want this to say vertical line. And then here you can change the color. Right now it's black, obviously. You can make it larger or thicker, mess around with it, but that is how you do it.